This is a 2018 2250 RK Grand Design travel trailer. The trailer is about 20 feet of living space. To start off with, on the roof, we ended up putting 8 215 watt high-tech solar panels on 8 tilt brackets. So in the pass-through, what we ended up installing was a multi-plus 12 volt 3000 volt amp inverter, a smart solar charge controller. It's an MPPT 150-100, which is controlling the 8 solar panels up on the roof. We have a DC to DC charge controller so that he can take advantage of the power coming from the alternator of the tow vehicle. We have the Lynx distribution system. We have a Lynx distributor on this side, and at the battery bank we have the Lynx power in. We have the Serbo GX with a Touch 50 mounted up into the bedroom, which we'll show you in a minute. And then we have a BMV 712, which is monitoring power coming and going from the battery bank.